Good morning, class. I'm Mr. Kiror Pinto. Today we are going to cover about divisibility rules. Divisibility, we are going to look about how do we know when we can divide one number into another exactly. Divisibility test of 2. A number can be divided by 2 if the last digit is even, e.g., for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 can be divisible by 2. That one confirms the divisibility test of 2. Let's see the divisibility test of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is 3, 6, or 9. For example, 12, 18, and 21. The sum of the digits of 12 is 3. The sum of digits of 18, the sum of 18 digits is 9. The sum of 21 digits is 3, which is divisible by 3, 9, 6. Let's see the divisibility test of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number made by the last two digits can be divided by 4. For example, 120. The last two digits of 120 is 20, which is divisible by 4. And 16, the last two digits is 16, which is divisible by 4. Let's proceed to the divisibility test of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or a 0. For example, 10 is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0 and 10 itself can be divided by 5. 100, the last digit is 0. Yes, it can be divided by 5 and 100 itself can be divided by 5. 50, the last digit is 0. It can be divided by 5 and 50 itself can be divided by 5. Let's proceed to the divisibility test of 6. A number can be divided by 6 if the last digit is even and the sum of all the digits is 3, 6, or 9. For example, 27. The sum of all digits is 9 and it can be divided by 9. So the divisibility test of 6. A number can be divided by 6 if the last digit is even and the sum of all digits is 3, 6, or 9. Let's see the divisibility test of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if a number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits will be divided by 8. Divisibility test of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits will add up to 9. For example, 21, 81. In 27, 2 plus 7 is 9. In 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, which is divisible by 9. Lastly, let's see now the divisibility test of 10. A number can be divided by 10 if the last digit is 0. For example, 100, the last digit is 0. 1,000, the last digit is 0. That one is divisible by 10. Is there any question? If there is no question, have a nice day.